Hey y'all, I thought I was videotaping all this time, and I wasn't. I made a stir fry, which I'm turning off right now. We used stew beef, a pack of frozen stir fry starter vegetables. That's not cheating, it's saving time. And vermicelli rice noodles. I love rice noodles. Chow my fun is a favorite dish. We, by we I mean I, but I'm using the royal we right now. Usually when I say we, I mean you, as in we need to get to work. That means you need to get to work, and I'm gonna goof off. So, I did some soy sauce. I stirred in some hoisin sauce. And we'll finish off with a little toasted sesame oil. And that's going to be all that's left. So that's it. Thanks for watching this truncated video. And now if you excuse me, I have to go look up the word truncated. Have a great day.